everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amber and this is Fabricating Fringe. Today I'm sharing with you guys this absolutely beautiful wig in this beautiful color, and this is from Belle Tress from Mimo Wigs. Now this color is so bright and bold, I'm sure you've heard of it before. It's called Stardust, and the wig that we are talking about today is called Shakerado. Okay, so let's talk about this gorgeous color, Stardust, and then we'll move on to Shakerado. So Shakerado is actually an Italian drink, and it is prepared using espresso and ice cubes. It is widespread and easily obtainable in Italy. It's prepared by shaking a shot of espresso with ice cubes in a cocktail shaker and simple syrup. Once a frothy consistency has been obtained, it is strained into glass. It is usually served in a martini glass. Sometimes Bailey's is added to give an alcoholic twist. Shakerado by Belle Tress is uber of self-expression and confidence. This is what they describe Shakerado being, this style that you see right here. This is original, daring, provocative, messy, but it also has this put together look. You have this modern, edgy, layered, wavy curl pattern, and I just really like it. And then with this color that you see right here, it definitely ramps up that edge look. With this hairstyle, you have a gorgeous temple to temple lace front, as you can see. And I love that because you can wear it up and away from the face, but it also has this fun bang that you see right here. And I love that kind of fringe right on the forehead, as you can see. Now let's do a full turnaround of Shakerado so you can see these waves and these layers from all angles. So Stardust, let's talk about Stardust. Look at this dynamic color. It is bold, it is bright, it is gorgeous. So this beautiful color is this kind of periwinkle, purpley blue shade. And of course it's rooted. They do a great job with root. I feel like the root has like an ashy, medium to dark brown. They do a fantastic job. And it, oh my goodness, up close, oh wow, it is so pretty. Can you see all those colors? You have 8 different shades in here. You have lavender and lilac with medium and light brown mixture of roots in here. And yeah, look at all these colors. It is crazy beautiful, that mixture in there. You have purples, you have blues, you have like almost light grays. I don't know, I can't even describe them all. It is beautiful. So Stardust, that is what it's called. Now this is an average size cap. It fits me true average. I would say Belle Tress average size caps are true average. If anything, they might have a little wiggle room, and they feel really great from ear to ear, from front to back, true average in size. Now this is heat friendly fiber. You can use your heat tools to smooth out the ends, to add more wave, curl, and just kind of heat style this however you would like. Okay, let's take this off and show you guys the underside of the cap. Now this is part of their cafe collection, this here wig. And like I mentioned, you have that lace front that extends into a left monofilament part. On the right of that, you do have closed wefting. Behind that, the rest of this cap is open wefted. That gives you great air ventilation and nice airflow. You have your velvet ear tabs and your velvet nape and the adjusters at the nape. Here's a closer look of this gorgeous shade. Sometimes it's easier to show you a closer look when it's not on my head, but look at all those colors. So pretty up close. Very dimensional. 8 different shades that you got going on right here. So pretty. Look at the layering on this here style in the back. Nice, beachy, loose layers and waves. Tapers down from the front. Then you have that bang up at the front with that gorgeous lace front. Okay, let's put her back on. She definitely looks a lot more edgy with this color and the style combination, I feel. So the bang on Shakerado is 7 inches. Your sides are 12 to 14 inches. Your nape is 14 inches. Your back is 20.5 inches. And overall, you have 7 inches to 20.5 inches in length. So it's quite layered. The weight is 4.9 ounces. So I would say that this is a lighter to slightly medium density. I feel like it's lighter. Definitely on the ends, because of those layers, you can see that it's so layered and stuff that the ends taper down and are lighter, as you can see with that, the way that it's cut and layered like so. I like it. I think it looks really cute if that's the look you're going for. It's pretty. What do you guys think about this color? It might not look good with this here outfit, but I do like the shade. I think it's really, really pretty. I do like the style as well. Very gorgeous. If you like those bold, bright, fun fashion colors, you might really, really love Stardust. So let me know your thoughts. What are your thoughts on Stardust? You can get a discount over at Mimo Wigs using the code Amber's Amigos. That code will be down below. The code to this here wig and all of her social media platforms will be down below as well. Let me know your thoughts. Please comment below. Please like and subscribe if this was helpful. I really do appreciate your support. And if you guys have any questions, comment below or reach out to Mimo Wigs. And until next time, I will see you guys later. Bye.